Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert. In today's video, we're going to talk about 7 good high-income skills to learn at the moment. The best way to propel your career and income forward is to learn a high-income skill and find employers' clients to pay you for it. You can even pivot this into launching a business in the future. It all starts with choosing the right skill though. So, in this video, we'll cover 7 examples of good high-income skills to learn. So, let's get started. Number 1, IT consultant. Some employers require a 4-year degree to work as a IT consultant, usually a degree in computer science or math. However, many don't, and even top employers like Google and Apple have done away with the requirement for a degree. So it's possible to learn this skill without a formal university degree, usually through online or in-person coding boot camps, which typically take around 12 weeks to complete. Overall, IT consultant includes software engineers, business and system analyst, QA analyst, and it is considered to be one of the best high-income skills to learn because of the high demand for this type of work. More of the world's businesses and systems are being run on software. More purchases are happening online each year, and more people are using apps, online tools, and electronic devices in virtually every aspect of their lives. And it's not uncommon for IT consultant with a few years of experience to earn $100,000 plus, and the very best consultant in top companies can earn $300,000 or more. And many of these positions do not require any coding. A Salesforce business analyst, for example, earns around $100,000 to $200,000 worth of salary each year, and learning the skill only requires 1 month of training. You can sign up for the full Salesforce business analyst tutorial at sfbatraining.com. You'll find the link in the description below. Number 2, sales. Sales is another one of the highest income jobs in the world and doesn't require any type of technical background or specific degree. So while many companies will want a 4-year degree of some type, you don't need any specific educational background to get into sales. Some companies may not even require a degree at all. Also, there are different types of roles within sales. There are people who close deals, known as closers, but there are also people who reach out to potential customers initially and try to set up that appointment with the closer. These are often called appointment setters. If you're wondering why salespeople can earn so much, it's simple. Their skill has a direct impact on the company's earnings. In the company, we were selling an expensive subscription service to other businesses. And if a sales associate closed deals that would be worth $10 million per year, why wouldn't the company be willing to pay them $1 million? That's how commission works. It's performance-based pay. If you decide to try to find a job in sales, I recommend looking for B2B sales, business to business, so that the commissions are higher. The best employers also pay a base salary in this space, so don't feel pressured to take a commission-only job. You can expect a base salary of around $50,000 to $65,000 for high-quality B2B sales positions. And if you're interested in entrepreneurship in the longer term, sales is one of the best skills you can build for yourself too. Number 3, digital marketing. Digital marketing is a field I taught myself and used to earn a freelance income for 1 year while traveling and growing this blog. Career sidekick on the side. Marketing is a great high-income skill with many sub-areas that you can specialize in to earn even more. They say niches make riches, and it's true. Companies want to hire specialists, at least when it comes to freelancing and consulting. If they need help with email marketing, they want an email marketing pro, not a marketing generalist. So over time, it's best to specialize. Don't worry at the start, though. Learn everything you can and decide later. Some specific areas within digital marketing include online advertising, social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing. Number 4, copywriting. Copywriting isn't a well-known type of work outside of the marketing advertising world, but within the industry, everyone knows how vital this skill is. And the best copywriters can make millions, usually through a commission or percentage of sales, which is agreed to up front. What do copywriters actually do, though? The highest paid copywriters, known as direct response copywriters, write words designed to get the reader to take a specific action. What type of action? It varies. Buy a product, click a link in an email, click on an advertisement, sign up for a webinar. Those are all examples of actions many online businesses might want you to take, and so they pay a copywriter to write the words that will persuade more people to take that action. Note, some copywriters also specialize in video scripts for companies that use video to sell. These are carefully written and take days, weeks to construct. Each word and line is carefully chosen, at least at the highest level of this skill. That's why copywriters are paid so well. The best freelance copywriters will typically earn a flat rate, but also a percentage of sales generated by their work. For example, if a large online business hired a copywriter to put together the sales page for their new product, they might agree to pay the copywriter $10,000 plus 2% of net sales. That 2% might not sound like a lot, but if the company sells $5 million worth of product, that's $100,000 in commission for that one product. Number 5, web design. Any online business needs a designer to decide how their web page should look. So if you're interested in technology web business, but don't want to learn to write code, you could consider learning web design instead. It's not quite as lucrative as software engineering on average, but the best web designers still earn $100,000 plus, so I consider it a good high-paying skill if working in tech seems interesting to you. And it provides a great alternative for people who have a background in some type of art or visual design and want to earn a lot with that skill. Number 6, SEO. Businesses can make a lot of money by appearing high in online search results, so they're willing to pay big money for help with this. Example, if an online store is selling natural fitness supplements, they'll earn a lot of money if they can get their website to appear first when someone searches for buy natural supplements. This is where SEO, short for search engine optimization, comes into play. SEO professionals study the best practices for helping a company's website appear higher up for online search terms, typically in Google. SEO is one of the highest income skills on the market and lends itself particularly well to freelancing or starting your own business. Many SEO freelancers have multiple clients on a monthly retainer, and they're paid a flat monthly fee, often $1,000 to $2,000 or more per client per month, to manage a company's search appearance. There are sub-areas within the field of SEO too. For example, some professionals specialize in local SEO, where they help small businesses appear high up for searches like locksmiths in Boston, or plumber in San Diego, or best orthodontist in LA. Number 7, trade skills. If you're wondering whether learning a trade can be a high-income skill, the answer is yes. You could potentially earn 6 figures working in the trades. Here are some examples of high-paying trade skills jobs: plumber, electrician, mechanic, HVAC technician, home inspector, dental hygienist. Not everyone in the trades will earn 6 figures. Most of the jobs listed above have a median salary of $45,000 to $60,000, but on the top end, there are certainly people earning 6 figures in these fields. So this completes the list of the top 7 high-income skills to learn at the moment. We also placed a link in the description below of a video that shows you how to develop a high-income skill. Leave a comment below and see you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.